So I am getting the question of the day. Why is my credit taking so long? Or how come I can't get an item removed off my credit report within 30 days? I'm trying to either buy a house or get approved for a loan within the next two weeks or 3 days. Or first off,
hey everybody, this is Mark with Justice League of Credit. Into the 2021 period, Justice League of Credit will be making some good changes.
You told me that my scores was fine and this and that, and I'm like, well, I told you that they use different scoring systems. So like and share, subscribe.
And my name is Mark with Justice League of Credit. I'm the credit restoration expert, and y'all have a wonderful day. Thank you.
Credit restoration doesn't work like that. It's a process. It's a process that has to be taken, and if it's done correctly, then the item can get removed off your credit report within a certain time period. We always tell our customers that our process normally takes 6 months or less, but depending on certain accounts, it may take more. What we do here at Justice League of Credit, we actually build a paper trail. We build a paper trail because in case you have to take the debt collector or creditor to court, then you have a slim paper trail of exactly what has been done in order to rectify the situation with the credit bureau or debt collector. If you don't have those items when you go to court, if that does happen, then that means something went wrong. You didn't wait. So yeah. But again, credit restoration takes time. I don't know how much I stress to our customers or anybody that's out there. It takes time. Trust the process, because by trusting the process, you will get results. And if you building your credit at the same time, such as adding positive accounts to your credit report and keeping your credit card balances low, then yes, you will see some type of results. But again, just be patient and trust the process. I promise you, you will see results. But again, we're not magicians. We're not where we can just wave abracadabra and poof, be gone, your credit bad negative account is gone. Doesn't work like that. I wish, because I'll be making a heck of a lot of money if that was the case. But again, I appreciate y'all listening to me ramble. And again, trust the process, be patient, and credit restoration is not an overnight process. Thank you. I'm Mark with Justice League of Credit. Have a wonderful day.